I'm gonna tell Elena how much I love her.
There's no such thing as moving on. It's a lie.
Who was Damon's son?
He was my boyfriend. I loved him, and he died.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Just take it away, please.
Damon never came into the room. He never gave me the necklace. Who's Damon's son?
He's Stefan's brother. He's a monster. Then he died. Please come back to me.
I'm back.
I'll never let you see
Why are you breathing? You have no idea how long I wanted to hear you.
all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for stormy
Stefan thinks that I have feelings for you.
rain from the tears in my eyes,
Do you?
I don't know.
I know that I still love you so.
I just don't
Heartaches remain.
feel you anymore.
I'll do my crying in the rain.
I'm so sorry.
Raindrops falling from heaven could never take away my misery. Since we're not together, I pray for stormy weather to hide these tears I hope you'll never see.
The Mississippi Falls.
First time you ever danced.
Damon stepped in. He saved me from being embarrassed in front of everyone. He took my arm and led me out with the rest of the girls and all their dates, and we danced.
Of course you was worried about stuff, but there was this moment, this one moment, where everyone else fell away. It was just the two of us. Turn it off. What? No. Just turn it off. And everything will go away. That's what you have to do. It's what I want you to do.
What do you want me to say? I don't remember us.
I do. And no matter how much I missed you or how much pain I was in, I never would have erased everything we ever had.
Since we're not together, I pray for
The promise that love could be eternal. And I had that with Damon. Which means for the rest of eternity, I'm gonna have a hole in my heart where he's supposed to be. Knowing that there's this whole piece of my life missing, it's driving me crazy, okay? So I have to at least try to get it back.
I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain.
I don't remember being here with you that night.
My crying in the rain.
Summer night we had before you went off to college. You wanted to show me this meteor shower. So we drove out in the middle of nowhere. And the moment those shooting stars started to fall, rain. Lots of rain. You were so sure it cleared, it was just easier to believe you. I took your hand. You had a nice moment on the road with a stranger, but that's all he was. A stranger.
Stranger. I feel like I'm looking at you, stranger. Because I'm never going to give you what you want. So I just can't remember them. my memories back. I can't imagine ever loving him. But I also can't ignore the parts I don't like just to avoid the truth. I mean, how could I make any decisions if I only knew half the story? You asked me what my type is. You're a hero tonight. An absolutely jaw-dropping, out-of-this-world hero. That's my type.
The truth is you're better off without me.
What are you talking about?
I died. You started over. I need you to live your life. Be happy. I love you, Elena.